Good morning students, welcome you all for this SST class. Dear students, in the previous class already we have learned explanation about the climate of our country. Okay, in today's class I will continue this lesson with part E, that in the evaluate part C, that is answer the following questions. Okay, so in the previous class already we have learned about the fill in the blanks and state true or false. Okay, now we are going to continue this lesson with question answers. So here first question is, give 2 points of differences between climate and weather. Here difference between climate and weather are I will write a box. So first one climate, second is weather. First one, climate refers to the weather. Climate refers to the weather conditions of a place or a long period of time. Second, the condition of the condition of the atmosphere at a certain place or time is called weather. This is the first difference. So the second difference is, it is described using words like cold in the mountains, cold in the mountains, hot in the coastal areas. Next, second point, it is described using words like sunny, windy, foggy, etc. Now question number 2. Why does South India experience mild winters? Most of the South Indian states receive rainfall between the months of November and January, which makes the weather pleasant and mildly cold. So this is the second question. Now question number 3. Describe the importance of, or I will write question upside only. Question number 3. Describe the importance of monsoon in India. Give some characteristic features of the season. Answer is towards the end of the summer, season humidity in the air starts increasing. Which leads to the onset of rainy or monsoon season. It starts In June, continues till the end of September. The monsoon plays a major role in agriculture in India. The main characteristic of this season are the heavy moisture laden rain bearing winds that blow towards Indian mainland from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. Question number 4 is describe any three factors determine the climate of place. Factor determining factors determining the climate of a region include location, distance, from the equator, temperature, rainfall and direction of wind. First one is location. Location of the region on the planet from northern hemisphere to southern hemisphere. Second, distance from equator. The location of the region with respect to the equator. Which is an imaginary line drawn around the middle of the earth at an equal distance from the north pole to south pole. Third one, temperature. Degree of hotness or coldness. Measured on a definite scale. Okay, dear students, these are the 4 question answers. Once again I will read. Give 2 points of differences between climate and weather. Here, difference between climate and weather. Climate refers to the weather conditions of a place over a long period of time. Here the condition of the atmosphere at a certain place or time is called weather. Second point is, it is described using words like cold in the mountains, hot in the coastal areas. It is described using words like sunny, windy, foggy, etc. Question number 2 is, why does South India experience mild winters? Most of the South Indian state receives rainfall between the month of November and June, which makes the weather pleasant and mildly cold. Question number 3 is, describe the importance of monsoon in India. Give some characteristic features of the season. Towards the end of the summer season, the humidity in the air starts increasing, which leads to the onset of rainy or monsoon season. It starts in June and continues till the end of September. The monsoon plays a major role in agriculture in India. The main characteristic of this season are the heavy moisture laden rain-bearing winds that blow towards Indian mainland from Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. Question number 4 is, describe any 3 factors determine the climate of a place. So factors determining the climate of a region include location, distance from the equator, temperature, rainfall and direction of wind. Here about the location of the region on the planet from southern pole to southern hemisphere to the northern hemisphere. Here SH means southern hemisphere, NH means northern hemisphere. Distance from the equator. The location of the region which with respect to the equator, which is an imaginary line which is an imaginary line during around the middle of the earth at an equal distance from the north pole to the south pole. About the temperature, degree of hotness and coldness measured on a definite scale. Okay, so these are the question answers. This is the drawn around the middle of the earth at an equal distance from the north pole to the south pole. About the temperature, degree of hotness or coldness measured on a definite scale. So dear students, till here today I will stop. In the next class I will give the question number 5. Okay, so thank you.